Welcome. This video highlights how to copy content of a file to another file keeping file names intact using Copywhiz. Let us try it out. Here we already have a file. And here is the new updated file. We will now copy the new file and replace the old. Select the file into Copywhiz. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl-Shift-C to add the files directly to Copywhiz. Now, go to the destination. Right-click and select Copywhiz, Paste Special option. Select the first option, Paste As. Let's check the file. Wow! We can see that the file contents have been updated and the file name remains intact. Thank you. Download Copywhiz for free from our website, conceptworld.com.